Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Originals. This video about classic red carpet dresses that will never go out of style. So this one is very awesome in black color, and this one looks very pretty in yellow color, and this one in red color, beautiful, very beautiful, and this one is maroon color, very beautiful, and this look very awesome, and this one is very pretty, and this one is very beautiful in white color, and this one is very beautiful, and this one is very pretty in white color, and this one is very awesome in red color, and this one looks very pretty in black color, and this one in blue color, very beautiful design, unique colors and beautiful designs, and this one is very pretty, and this one is very pretty in mermaid style dress, and this one looks very awesome, and this one is very beautiful.